Hi all, today we are going to see what is the difference between is and are double equal to operator in Python. Looks simple. Basically, let's say if I define a variable something like this and b as something like this, let's say there are two lists, they are looking same. So what kind of result basically we will give if we use is and double equal to operator? Let me print it. If I do something like this, if a is b, basically is identity operator. Basically we will check whether the type of a is equal as of b, and if we do something like whether their values are equal, we do check something like this. So the first statement will print whether both the variable are having types same, and second will say okay if their values are also same. So let me print it and say first is false because they are different objects. A is different object stored in some other memory. Let's say if I can print value of memory address of a. So yeah, so for to say is basically checking for time identity. Let me print the memory address for a and b as well. Let me show you like how we can check memory address in Python as well. There is a method called id. So if I can say address of id, address of b as well, so you can clearly see difference. So that's why. So as you can see clearly in memory, a is stored here in this address and b is stored. So both are different objects, but there is a caveat, there is a catch. We will cover in different video. So thank you for now. Please subscribe and like my channel.